How to change the screensaver on a Samsung TV.
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to change the screensaver on your Samsung TV. Screensavers can add a personal touch to your TV and prevent static images from burning into the screen. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started.
Accessing the screensaver settings.
To change the screensaver on your Samsung TV, you'll need to access the settings menu. Here's how you can do it. 1. Turn on your Samsung TV and grab your remote control. 2. On your remote, locate and press the Home or Menu button. This will open the main menu on your TV screen. 3. Using the arrow buttons on your remote, navigate to the Settings option. It's usually represented by a gear or cogwheel icon. 4. Once you've highlighted the Settings option, press the Enter or OK button on your remote to access the settings menu.
Navigating to the screensaver settings.
Now that you're in the settings menu, let's find the screensaver settings. 1. In the settings menu, use the arrow buttons on your remote to scroll down or navigate to the General or System tab. The naming may vary depending on your TV model. 2. Within the General or System tab, look for an option called Screensaver or Screensaver. Once you've found it, highlight it with the arrow buttons on your remote. 3. Press the Enter or OK button to access the screensaver settings.
Changing the screensaver.
Now that you're in the screensaver settings, you can select and change the screensaver on your Samsung TV. Follow these steps. 1. In the screensaver settings, you'll typically see a list of available screensaver options. These options may include various themes, images, or animations. 2. Use the arrow buttons on your remote to scroll through the list of screensaver options. This will allow you to preview each screensaver as you navigate. 3. When you find a screensaver you like, highlight it with the arrow buttons on your remote. 4. Press the Enter or OK button to select the highlighted screensaver as your choice.
Adjusting screensaver settings, optional.
Some Samsung TVs may offer additional settings to customize your screensaver. Here's how you can adjust them if available. 1. While you're in the screensaver settings, look for an option called Settings, Customize, or Options. This option allows you to configure additional screensaver settings. 2. Highlight the Settings, Customize, or Options option and press the Enter or OK button to access the customization menu. 3. Within the customization menu, you might have the ability to adjust settings such as screensaver duration, transition effects, or specific image folders. Explore these options and make any desired adjustments. 4. Once you've finished customizing the screensaver settings, navigate to the Save or Apply option and press the Enter or OK button to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change the screensaver on your Samsung TV.